Let's see, Isabel, who was that snoring? Who was that snoring next to you? This is a family member, Isabel. This was a family member that was snoring next to you. Um, or pet? Oh, I'm getting it. It was a pet. Isabel, do you have like a dog or something that passed that used to snore a lot? Because I'm getting humongous yes on this. Do you have like a pet that passed that used to snore? Isabel, are you here? Because this is what I'm getting is that it was a pet. First, I thought it was a family member, but I'm thinking it's a pet. Yes, a dog. Okay, well that's who it was. It was the dog, and they were